Hello, Sarah from One-Eyed Cat Online Marketing here, and welcome back to the Ultimate Google Ads Checklist for e-commerce. Today we're still in the optimization section of the checklist, and today the checklist item talks about whether you are regularly checking your search queries for your shopping campaigns to find converting terms that you need or can add to your search campaigns. So what I mean by this is you'll have, although you don't target obviously shopping campaigns with keywords, I've discussed this in a previous video, when you're looking for negative keywords, you do get to see the search terms that trigger your shopping ads. So if there are search terms triggering shopping ads that are converting really well, then it's a good idea to specifically target those, if you're not already, to specifically target those to and add them to your search campaign, so that you're covering both bases. You've got search ads targeting those keywords and shopping ads, and you know they are good keywords for you. So quickly, I'm just going to show you where you go and find these again. So in this account, you need to make sure that you click on the shopping campaign section tab on the left here. Then you'll go to keywords, and then you go to search terms at the top here. Now, and then you need to set a filter. So to set a filter, you just click, if you haven't already got it, you just click this add filter button here. And what you want to do is you want to really look for, this depends what kind of, you need to think about your how many conversions you already get and which ones you'd consider to be a really good performer. For this particular one here, I've said, so anything that gets more than 2 conversions, so 3 conversions or more. I do also set a little filter for the number of clicks. Sometimes you might get 1 click and it registers as 2 conversions, so that's clearly kind of a bit of an anomaly. So I always say, well, if greater than 2 conversions, but also needs greater than 2 clicks, and I've added a filter to confirm that I only want this to look at shopping ads, and then you'll get a list of all your search terms that have conversions. You can download this, and to shut that there, you can download this into a spreadsheet, and then you can look at all these search terms here, and then kind of add them as, I would add them as exact match keywords into your search campaign, so that you've got both sides covered really. Now, there is a script available that will do this automatically for you, and then it will send you a link to a spreadsheet which shows you the search terms that have, you set the criteria of how many clicks, how many conversions, you set that criteria, and then however often you set it to, it will either once a month or once a week, it will send you a link to a Google Sheet where you'll get those keywords. And the advantage of that one is the script. I'll put a link to it below the video. The advantage of that is that it also looks to see whether you are already targeting those keywords in your search campaigns, and it will only give you a search term that isn't already in your account. So it kind of saves you time having to search through that list to find the ones that you haven't already got as keywords in your search campaigns. So I'll add as I say, I'll add the link. I'll dig that script out and I'll add the link below the video if you want to use that. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to add converting search terms from your shopping campaigns into your search campaigns. So don't forget to comment below the video if you have any questions. Like and share and subscribe to the channel over here. And that's it for today. I will look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care now. Bye.